Manuel Edralin Marcos was the 10th President of the Philippines, first elected in 1965. His first term showed promise, including notable infrastructure projects like the San Juanico Bridge and briefly turning the Philippines into a net rice exporter. But after winning the second term, the economy worsened drastically. This led to massive public protests and the rise of two major threats: the Communist Party of the Philippines, New People's Army, or CPP-NPA, which is armed communist insurgency seeking to overthrow the government, and the Moro National Liberation Front, or MNLF, in Mindanao, which is the Moro separatist movement fighting for self-rule in the south. Marcos officially declared martial law, known locally as Batas Militar, on September 21, 1972 through Proclamation Number 1081, though he announced it publicly on September 23, placing the entire nation under military rule to suppress alleged communist and secessionist threats, ushering in the period of authoritarianism and human rights abuses that lasted until 1981, with Marcos retaining dictatorial powers until 1986. The martial law period was characterized by the systematic suppression of civil liberties and human rights abuses. Marcos ordered the immediate arrest of key political rivals, including opposition Senator Ninoy Aquino, and thousands of other considered dissidents. Major media outlets were shut down or placed under the control of Marcos cronies, severely restricting freedom of the press. The human rights abuse, thousands of critics and citizens were tortured, killed, or disappeared. Estimates counts over thousands murdered and detention. The final period of the Marcos dictatorship, known as the Fall, spans the years from 1983